What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Malika Malaysia, in case you are new. If not, hey girl, hey. Okay, by the title of this video, I'm going to show you all how I make my lip oil. This is my Pretty in Pink lip oil that I sell on my website at www.herbutterhergloss.com in case you want to purchase it. Instead of, if you don't have time, girl, to make your own, I got you. Okay, so first things first, gloves. Always need to put on your gloves, of course. I can't lie, this lip oil is like one of my faves because I wear it all day, every day, 24/7. In case you don't know too much about lip oil, if it's new to you, just think about it being a cuter chapstick, but it's better for you because it's made with all natural carrier oils. So for this lip oil, I have some grapeseed oil we're going to put in, some castor oil, and some coconut oil. And this one is strawberry flavored, so we'll be adding in some strawberry flavoring. And this is, like I said, Pretty in Pink, so of course we have pink Mecca. I've already made some already. Sometimes you have to shake it, so if you ever order some for me, make sure when you get it, shake it up, because if it's been setting. So this is what she looks like. Like I said, I already have some made, but I'm just going to make a couple more just to show you all, you know, how I make them. So let's get started. Okay, so first thing we're going to add is the grapeseed oil. So I'm just going to eyeball it. And if we need to add more, we'll add more, but right now we're just going to just see what we get. So the castor oil, which I like when adding to my lip oil, castor oil is a little thicker, so it kind of thickens it up. But you know, putting them inside of these kind of tubes, I like them to be a little loose. That's the whole point of lip oil, so that with the, since it's a rolling ball type of gloss tube, it'll come out easy. And like I was saying earlier, the whole lip oil, which I love wearing, it's something that I wear, like I said, all day, every day. But I also like to, like in the morning when I wake up, after brushing my teeth, I will prep my lips before putting on any type of lip gloss or lipstick with my lip oil. I'll let it set on there, you know. And then after, I'll just, you don't have to wipe it off or anything. Then you apply your lipstick or lip gloss. And then, like I said, throughout the day, if you do not have any lip gloss on or any lipstick, just wear that. You know, like I said, it's just a cuter form of chapstick, but just made with natural oils. Okay, so next I'm going to add some flavoring. Like I said, this is strawberry. Add about 4 drops. You want to stir, and as I was saying with the lip oil, it's very, very hydrating for your lips. It's something you can wear all season long. And with lip oil, it's very soothing on your lips. You know, if you have chapped lips or anything like that, stuff from that, very great to put on your lips. If you exfoliate your lips on a daily basis or every other day, it's definitely great to apply some lip oil right after you're done. Okay, so next we're going to add some pink coloring to give us that pretty and pink look. And since I'm only making a couple, I kind of want to play it safe on how much I would add. A little more. And since this is just oil, this is different from like the Versagel that we use for our lip gloss. So sometimes you have to definitely stir this thoroughly and play with it since it's oil. So it's going to be kind of a little different at first when you first apply the maca powder. So you just want to keep stirring until you get that color to the certain color that you want. And like I was saying earlier, the lip oil is very nourishing on your lips. It's definitely like a must-have that I wear, like I said, daily. It's something that I cannot not go without. So, and and then also, you don't have to use the kind of oils that I have. You know, whatever works best for you, whatever you want to experiment with. For me, you can try any kind of oils, whatever works best for you. These are just some of the oils that I like to apply on my lips that I came up with. You know, I'll just be in the house and I'm like, you know, instead of using chapstick that has certain type of ingredients in them, you know, that I like to try to stay away from as possible, let me just, you know, put some of this oil on there that I cook with on a daily, you know. So then decided, why not just mix all these together and make some lip oil. Okay, so I think we have our color. So what we're going to do next, now we're going to take our tubes, and you guys, look how adorable these tubes are. These are like one of my faves. So cute. Okay, so normally I will take, for my lip glosses, a syringe and a pipette, but since this is just oil, only thing we'll have to do is take our bowl, let's see, and I'll just fold it like that and just pour it in. And that's that. So we only have a little left, so we made just enough, I guess. Just one. Then I'm going to take the stopper that comes with it, the little rolly ball. Just going to put it in. Then you're going to take the lid, turn it, and that's that, you guys. And that is how we make our pretty and pink lip oil. Like I said, she is strawberry flavored. She is made with natural oils that you cook with, or that you know, apply on your skin daily, that doesn't have the harsh ingredients. Like I said, you can also purchase this on my website at www.herbutterhergloss.com. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also follow me on my business page at her_butter. And also leave me a comment below and tell me what kind of lip oil would you want to see me make next, add to her collection. And give me a thumbs up. And until then, I will see you guys next time. Bye.